How's it going on, everybody? It's Boygame here. And today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button. And just mute some of the game volume because I don't want to get copyrighted. So, oh no! Someone found it. Come on, someone press the button. There we go. Who's that? I can sign a noob. Come on. What's gonna happen? Is noob gonna eat me? Ah! No, I don't want to get out. I don't. Oh god. Oh no. Ow. Well, that was. Just. What's next? Trampoline. What if I don't bounce? Look at someone bouncing. What? You know what? I'll jump. Alright. Hey, move. Alright, what's next? What's next? Oh, Baldy. There's Baldy. Yeah, come on. What just happened? I think Paul survived a lava spinner. Oh, there's a countdown. Alright, come on. Jump. 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 Okay. Jump. Jump. Okay, jump. 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 Oh my god, I almost killed myself. Oh, it's going faster. 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 Oh, am I alive here? Yay, I won. Well, that was easy. Oh. It's a little hard though. We're in space. We're in space. We're in space. Okay, alright, what's next? I pressed it. Space again? Ugh. This is really fun. I want diamonds. Alright, what's next? Oh. Is that a noob? Don't donate me. Oh, seems like oofla oof. Alright. Oofla oof, if you're watching this. There's a no. Oh. For the tornado. No, noob, survive, please. Oofla oof, if you see that, there's a noob. Everyone, save the noob! Save the noob! I kind of like noobs and bacons. Donate me. Everyone donate noob. No, don't pull it. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Huh. Okay. Oh. Oh, I got to use this. Oh no. Okay. I hope I win. Oh no! No! Come on. Okay. Oh. Oh my God. Don't touch the leg. It's slow? This is so difficult. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, come on, run. Get ready, who's higher? Uh, where's the moles? Oh, there's one. There's one. Ah, someone got one. Oh, whoa, what is this? I can't. Oh, there's one. Oh, I got one. There's another one. Oh, I got another one. Okay. I got another one. Oh, I got 4. How? How do you... Oh, oh, 5. Okay. I think it. Okay. Oh, okay. 6. Okay. Uh, 7, 8. Time's up. Who won? Who won? Huh. Oh. Alright, I got him. I gotta use this. Oh. No. No. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's go. How am I not in? That's not fair. I can see. World Cup. Oh, by the way, World Cup trophies and Iron Shot. You will see it. Oh no, not the tornado. I got drinks. I got drink it. Alright, last button to press, and I'm good. End this. Oh. Okay. You know, I'll try to do a long video. Ooh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Come on, I want to get my snowball bigger. Get bigger. Bigger. Yeah, bigger. Who won? Oh, you were serious. Oh, I was so close. Yep, this button. Oh, quick. Huh. I did. Oh, my wings touched it. Oh, no, not this. I'm really bad at this. I can't. Alright guys, I have to stop here. Thanks for watching my Roblox video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in the next video. Whatever I want. See ya.